Good morning guys. Today I'm going to troubleshoot this Hitachi Inverter AC, which is 3-tonner Floristan. Now the problem of this, the compressor is not working. There is a power, the indoor board, and this is control display. The outdoor board, this one, but this is the indoor fan motor which is working. Now we're about to wait to spin this outdoor fan motor. See, the auto fan motor is spinning, but the compressor is not working. So I'm gonna troubleshoot this guys until I find the defective components. After troubleshooting, I'm gonna resume. Hello guys, let us resume our troubleshooting of this Hitachi 3-tonner Floristan. We're gonna test this one if it is working properly. Now I'm going to switch on the breaker. Then switch on the power on. Now the indoor fan motor and also the outer fan motor is working. Then the compressor too is working. Now we have to observe guys few or several minutes so that we can assure that it is working properly. We just wait. But my compressor is not for 3-tonner. That's why I'm not going to test this for longer. Okay guys, we can assure right now that this our troubleshooting is successful. By the way guys, the problem of this, the IPM was defective. Now what I did, I replaced it in some other diode here at the power supply because it is shorted. But the main problem is IPM. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching our video. Thank you very much for your support, to all viewers and subscribers. If you are new in this YouTube channel, Arnis Wave, please subscribe and click the notification, and also click the like, so that you are being always updated to our new video. I'll chew it guys for at least we can run it for more than 5 minutes, so that you can very sure that it is going to be fine. Also shout out to the technician who brought here. He's a very good technician. He's from Marikina. I don't want to mention his name because to protect his privacy. Okay boss, your aircon is okay right now. Okay guys, see you later. Thank you very much.